Hello everyone, it's a320 here. Now I'm here to do an unboxing of my my United Airlines Airbus A320 model. So it says 1/500 scale United Airbus A320 ARPA. Back shows a picture, and then it shows you the Airbus information, length and span of the actual plane. ARPA, then it shows the picture. Let's get to the unboxing. And there it is, the United Airlines A320. Now it has the, if I can zoom in, United Airlines cockpit. So we get a focus. Okay. As the wipers. So let's turn on, and how it shows you the United Wi-Fi. Front door, United, beacon light, emergency exit, the winglet, the Wi-Fi box, American flag, registration, and the United tail. Alright, and now the bottom of the aircraft has the hole which most ARPA models don't have. And this is pretty cool. I got this model. I really like it a lot. Thanks for watching this video. Please rate. This is my second ARPA model I have. Very first ever ARPA Airbus model unboxing. My next ARPA model will be of a it might be a British Airways 777-200 or 300 ER or LR. I'm not sure. Yeah, it's a very special model. Will go to my airport. Yeah. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.